Hey guys, today we're going to be going over a Procreate finish. I'm doing a wood finish for those of you who have asked me what type of brush I use in Procreate to get that specific effect. This video assumes that you have an Apple Pencil, an iPad, and the Procreate app. So right now I have this as a 3x3 and I'm going to go ahead and select a color as my base wood color. I'm going to go ahead and drop it in. This is like if you do a furniture plan, you're going to drop it into the area where you're going to do the flooring. Now you want to select a darker color as your accent color. I have the Twisted Tree brush, and I'm going to go ahead and give a linear stroke, in the direction that the wood grain will be going. And then now I have the grunge brush that I'm going to do little light strokes here and there. And then I'm going to do the smudge tool up there right next to the brush tool so that I can blend it all in together. And so once I'm happy with the blend, then I'm going to go ahead and select a Oberon as almost like my colored pencil application. Now watch this. This one, it's not quite steady in terms of a wood plank, so you've got to remember to turn on Drawing Assist. So now when you do a stroke, it's straight up and down. And if you need to do plank lines, that's straight up and down. Now this is just a zoomed up version of wood. This assumes that you're going to apply this throughout your furniture plan, okay? So you're going to do little horizontal lines for the planks every once in a while. And so this is like the base of that. But now I'm using a lighter color for my kind of wood grain. And I have to remember to turn off the Drawing Assist so I can get a nice organic line. So now I'm just going to give some organic, kind of a caffeine shaky hand. So it's not perfect lines. It's kind of like shaky, irregular lines. And that gives you kind of a look of a stylized wood grain. And I'm going to do this every once in a while for my wood planks. I'm not going to, make it all perfect, but if you add a little bit here and there, you should be good. I hope that helps you, and I'll see you next time.